This is China Driverless taxi. AI robot. No taxi, no driver taxi. Driverless taxi. This is how high technology is used in China's public transportation. We can take the taxi very easy, and the driverless taxi is very clean and stable and also safe. You can set, this is English, you can also adjust to Chinese and also English. This is the speed. This is the speed, about 60 kilometers 1 hour. It is very clean and comfortable, very nice. In China, we use high technology in everywhere. This is just the taxi, very nice. It's very amazing driverless taxi tour in China. Very nice. If you come to China, you can take an experience of the driverless taxi for a city tour. Very nice. Very clean, air conditioned car. Very nice, really nice. My God. See the steering wheel. It can recognize the traffic light smartly, intelligent, and you see it turn smart. Very nice, very good.